Ever wondered what that mysterious three-digit number, your credit score, actually is? And more importantly, how you can see it without spending a dime? Well, you're in the right place because today we're diving deep into the world of credit scores, specifically focusing on Equifax, one of the major credit bureaus, and exploring how you can access your Equifax credit score for free. Now, before we jump into the how, let's quickly recap what a credit score is and why it matters. Think of your credit score as a financial report card. It's a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, basically telling lenders how likely you are to repay borrowed money. This number is based on your credit history, which includes things like your payment history, the amount of debt you owe, the length of your credit history, new credit applications, and the types of credit you use. Why is this important? Well, your credit score plays a crucial role in many aspects of your financial life. It affects whether you'll be approved for loans, credit cards, mortgages, and even things like renting an apartment or getting a cell phone contract. A higher credit score generally means better interest rates on loans, higher credit limits on credit cards, and overall easier access to credit. Conversely, a lower credit score can lead to higher interest rates, lower credit limits, or even outright rejection. So, where does Equifax fit into all of this? Equifax is one of the three major credit reporting agencies in the United States, alongside Experian and TransUnion. These agencies collect and maintain credit information on individuals and use that information to generate credit reports and credit scores. Lenders use these reports and scores to assess risk when making lending decisions. Now, to the burning question, can you view your Equifax credit score for free? The short answer is yes, but there are a few important details to understand. One key point is that you're entitled to a free copy of your credit report from each of the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once every 12 months. This is mandated by federal law under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA. You can access these free reports through annualcreditreport.com. This is the official website authorized by the federal government for obtaining your free credit reports. It's crucial to understand that while annualcreditreport.com provides you with your credit report, it doesn't automatically provide you with your credit score. The credit report is a detailed history of your credit activity, while the credit score is a numerical representation of that history. So, how do you get your free Equifax credit score? While Equifax doesn't offer a completely free, ongoing access to your credit score directly, there are a few ways to get it without paying. One option is through certain credit monitoring services, some of which offer a free trial period. During this trial, you can typically access your credit score and credit report from all three bureaus, including Equifax. However, it's essential to carefully read the terms and conditions of these trials and cancel before the trial period ends to avoid being charged. Another way to potentially access your Equifax credit score for free is through certain credit card companies or financial institutions. Many now offer free credit score access as a perk to their customers. Check with your credit card issuer or bank to see if they offer this service. They might provide you with your FICO score, which is the most widely used type of credit score, or they might provide a different scoring model. Regardless, it will give you a good indication of your credit health. It's also worth noting that there are free credit score websites and apps available. However, be cautious when using these services. Some may require you to sign up for other services or may not provide accurate or up-to-date information. Stick to reputable sources and always read the fine print. Now, let's address a common misconception. Many people believe that checking their credit report or score will hurt their credit. This is not true. Checking your own credit report or score is considered a soft inquiry and does not impact your credit score. Only hard inquiries, which occur when a lender checks your credit as part of a loan or credit application, can potentially have a small, temporary effect on your score. So, to recap, you can get a free copy of your Equifax credit report annually through annualcreditreport.com. To get your Equifax credit score for free, you can explore options like free trials of credit monitoring services. Remember to cancel before being charged. Check if your credit card issuer or bank provides free credit score access, or carefully consider reputable free credit score websites and apps. It's important to remember that monitoring your credit is a crucial part of maintaining good financial health. Regularly checking your credit report allows you to identify any errors or inaccuracies that could be negatively impacting your score. If you find any discrepancies, you should dispute them with the credit bureau immediately. Keeping an eye on your credit score allows you to track your progress and make informed decisions about your finances. Understanding where you stand allows you to take steps to improve your creditworthiness, such as paying your bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and avoiding unnecessary credit applications. By taking advantage of the free resources available, you can stay on top of your credit without spending a dime. Knowledge is power when it comes to your finances, and understanding your credit score is a key piece of that puzzle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.